I'm getting a few pains in my legs, especially my lower legs down in my calves. And one of the things that was recommended to me was this thing right here called the Step. We'll give you a little bit closer look at it. As you can see, it's about this long and it's about this wide. And it says the Step on each side of it. It says the Step, like it's the only one, right? The Step. Now it comes with 4 of these and they fit pretty securely and snug down here. We're going to show you a closer view of that in a second here. And you put 1 or 2 on this side, 1 or 2 on this side, and then you can use it with kettlebells, you can use it for lunges, you can use it for step class, you can use it for a lot of different things that help to improve the health and strength of your lower legs, your upper legs, your knee structure, and even up into your hip structure. These are actually very, very good exercise devices. Now what I'm going to do next is show it to you put together, and I'm going to put a little stress on it so that you can see how it reacts under, well, stress. My first impression of it as a platform is that it is extremely sturdy and secure. It's not going anywhere. I'm over 200 pounds and it's very, very solid. You just got to make sure that you get the risers in exactly the right place. This is not going anywhere. It's really built well. It's a good value as far as I'm concerned. It's an excellent exercise tool. I'm really, really glad that I've got it, and I'm really glad that I was able to use it to make this video for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to hit that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to leave me a comment. Love the comments, love knowing what you guys think. And since I'm already asking you not to forget stuff, don't forget to have a great day, and don't forget to have a great life.